Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. I just got off from work, so I gotta stop by Aldi's to get a few groceries for the week. My budget is $50. Let's see, can I stick to it? See you when I get in. Okay, fam, I'm in Aldi's. I'm gonna get some of these. Got a fair price. Oh, they got some cotton candy grapes. $5.98. That look kind of good. Let me see these back here. They got some bad ones in there. Let's see. Apples. How much these apples is? The pink lady apples. That price. I'm gonna get this bag. I got onions, bell peppers. So I don't need that. Could cook cabbage though. Do I want a cabbage today? Talk to myself, man. Talk to myself. I'll cook cabbage. That's a little small, a little bigger cabbage. Oh, it's per pound. Last time I thought it was 65 cents, but it's per pound. I just looked at it. I want some cabbage. I'm trying to think of something quick to cook. No, I don't want no cabbage. Let's move on. I tried this popcorn, and you can barely even taste the cheese on your fan. I didn't like that, so I'm not gonna try that no more. See, that's the main reason why you never should come to the grocery store hungry, because everything be looking good. Ooh, look at those right there. How much are they? Ooh, $4. There's some cinnamon rolls, but they look so good though, man. Wow, they look good. 5.9 is the expiration date. This one got 5.8 on here. Oh, now these is totally covered. Okay, I'm gonna get these. Ooh, look at that chocolate cake. I'm gonna mess around and then spend $50 in number junk food. I'm gonna get me some meat. Okay, eat some turkey sandwiches today. That's probably what we're gonna eat, because I really don't feel like cooking for me. It's been a rough week. Starting off already. I'm gonna have to tell y'all about it. This new team lead is a trip. When I say a trip, a total trip, the way she left us and went home today. Got mad and went home. Can you believe that? So it's all good though. It's all good. Let me see. Y'all know to give me some more stuff. Oh, this thing is loud. I'm gonna hit the F cameras. Those don't look good. I'm gonna get these. I can't believe y'all this not that. Give me some more chicken thighs. That's $7.20. Chicken thighs are mighty close to that. Those pack was $6.69. Ooh, that one got too big of a meat in there. I don't like the real big one. That one too big. That's a real big one. That's 6 right here. Leg quarters for $5.88. 2, 4, 6, 8. There 8 of them in there. How much these split chicken breasts is? $9. Might as well say. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We got 50% off. know I seen them 50% off now. Whole chicken. I can put this in the freezer. That price right there is 50% off of that, so I'm gonna get it. So that'll be 50% off that $6.25 for one. I really can get two. Put them in the freezer. That's what I'm gonna do. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. So actually, I'm gonna be getting two for the price of one. I don't see no more plate though. I just can't believe they done went up on this ground beef like that. $18. What is this? Ribeye steaks. Okay. Alright, let's mosey on, fam. Mosey on. Get me some bacon. I was gonna have spit. I thought they was out of my bacon. Y'all know I like that thick cut bacon. I can get me some with some that look halfway decent. Hold on, fam. Okay, I got this. Alright. I like this yogurt. Just a couple of these. Okay, fam, this is what I got. I got the 2 whole rotisserie chicken. This is so good. I got that. Got some pork chops. Got some bacon, apple, a little tangerine. Got some turkey. I got some yogurt. No, I got me some cinnamon rolls. I gotta get me some canned goods. And get me 2 cans of this mixed vegetable. That price. Give me some sweet peas. Check that date. That price. And I want some green beans. Give me 2 cans of that. That price. So, do I need anything else? I don't think I need nothing else, I think. I really don't, because I got me some grits and stuff at home. So, y'all see everything I got? You think it's $50 or less? Let's see. Oh, I gotta get some ketchup. For that price. Let me see what else they got over here. Jasmine rice, $2.19. Gallo. What is this? I'm trying to see what this is, fam. I can't even get this big box out of here. Oh, you make your own sandwiches. Okay. Quiche. I ain't never had no quiche. Y'all comment down below and let me know how that tastes. It's a chicken breast for $16.99. Okay. Quite a bit of stuff in that Aldi finds. Here's this here. It's Cornish hen. Okay. That's a good price on some of it. Look at that. $11.03 for this Cornish beef right here, brisket. That's a good price for this Cornish beef. I don't know how to cook it though, fam. Y'all need to comment down below and let me know. Then I'll come back. Alright, let me get up out of all this. I gotta get me some where my popsicles at? Get my popsicle first. Let's see how much it is. Okay, guys, I'm back in the car. I spent $56.06. Well, $51.41 without the tax. Look at them. Them darn taxes. Whew, I was close. I was close. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. And give me the thumbs up, fam. Thumbs up. Until the next video, y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.